Good afternoon. This screencast here should allow you, after watching, to be able to take and find a video that you have found on YouTube and convert it so you can utilize it within some type of video editing software like Windows Movie Maker. So the first thing you have to do to start this process is to go to YouTube. Go to YouTube, find a video you really like. Let's say this is the Looney Tunes clip here. This World War II Looney Tunes clip is one that I really like. I find it, I watch it, I realize I want it. Here's the process that you need to use in order to get this video so that it's yours and you can utilize it within Windows Movie Maker. Find the video, go to the URL. Okay, at the very top, you need to copy this URL. So I'm right-clicking and copying. Right, you're now done with YouTube. You no longer need to utilize it. Clicking on and going to another website. This website is called Zamzar, ZAMZAR.com. It's a free online file converter. I'm going to actually convert this URL into something we can actually use. As you can see, as I scroll down the page, there are 4 very easy steps. Step 1, select a file or URL that you want to convert. Well, I'm not converting a file, I'm converting a URL. So you need to make sure the first thing you do is click on the word URL. It will refresh the page, and now I'm back to step 1. At step 1, you can see in this field it says HTTP. Now the first thing you want to do is actually delete HTTP. So I'm going to highlight it and click backspace to delete that, because the URL that we already grabbed from YouTube and copied already contained that. So if we were to paste it after the initial HTTP, there'd be 2 of them, and that would not be good. So I'm just going to go ahead, right click and paste, or I could use my shortcut Control V. And once I'm done with that, step 2 asks me, alright, great, which type of format do you want me to convert this to? So the format is now, I have to determine the format that I want now. So as I roll over and click the down arrow, I'm going to select WMV. That's a Windows Media Video. I recommend you using that in regards to incorporating this video within Windows Movie Maker. So I'm going to click WMV. At this point, you're going to type in your email address. So you can type in whatever email address you want, whatever, Gmail or your school address, whatever you care to do. And then you're going to go ahead and you click convert. Alright, so let me do this real quick for us here. And I'm going to click convert. And it says you're about to convert one FLV to WMV. That's what you want. So I'm going to click OK. And the upload process occurs here at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so some time will go by, and when everything's ready to go, what's going to happen is you're going to get an email that looks like this. Here's the email I received from Zamzar. So it's saying, alright, this thing's done, we've converted it for you, I'd like for you to download it now. So where it says in the email, in the middle, there'll be something saying, alternatively, click the link on click the following link to download this presentation, or this copy of this file. So I'm going to click this link. It will redirect me back to Zamzar's site. It says, click this green button to download now. I click the button, and it asks me what I would like to do. I'm going to click save and save it somewhere that I can go and reuse again. So once that's created, once you have this downloaded, now we can use it within Windows Movie Maker. So I'm going to open up Movie Maker now. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to import that video I just downloaded. So I'm going to click on Import Video, and as I click Video, I'm going to navigate to where the file that I just downloaded is. Let's just say this is bear video. I'm not gonna wait for it to really download. So I'm just gonna click this bear video, and there's the bear. It showed up in my gallery. I'm gonna go ahead and just drag it into my timeline so it can now be used. Here, and I will show you the last piece. The last piece would be, how do you take this video? Let's say in this case it's a 13-second video. I just want to use the portion second 2 through second 7. I only want 5 seconds worth of video here in my as part of my Movie Maker project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click at the 2-second mark. I'm going to click one time. Notice it shows a green arrow. Okay, I'm going to click there. That's the beginning of my snippet that I want to create. And I'm going to come over here and click split. So automatically it now generates 2 videos. This is the initial part of my video that I want. I'm then going to go to the end of the snippet that I want, which I said, let's just pretend it's around the 7-second mark. I'm going to click there, create another green line for me, and I'm going to click split again. Okay, now what I have is I have 3 little videos here that I've created from the one downloaded clip. Now remember, I want the one in the middle. That's the one where I started the split at the beginning and the split at the end. So the first one, I'm going to click on and click delete. And the last one, I'm going to click on and click delete as well. Now I have this bear video for second 2 through second 7 as a 5-second clip that I can rearrange within my timeline. Okay? So that's very quickly a rundown of how to use a YouTube video, get it for yourself with using Zamzar as a converter, downloading it, and then creating snippets of that video within Windows Movie Maker as part of your project within your timeline. Thank you very much. Good luck. Keep working hard. We'll talk to you all soon. Bye.